Just one more minute. Yeah. Hey everybody, this is Dr. Manju, and I just wanted to interview for you guys one of my STAR clients, Sophie. She's an executive at Google, and I've been working with Sophie for about 6 to 8 months, maybe closer to 8 months, and she's had some great results with mindset training. So I wanted all of you to kind of hear from her about her perspective on mindset training and how it might be useful for some of you. So anyway, so Sophie, please introduce yourself and just tell our audience a little bit about why you were even seeking mindset coaching.
Sure. So hi everyone, my name is Sophie. I'm originally from France and I've been living in the US for the past 9 years. And I seeked, mindset coaching originally because I really believe that our mindset and our thoughts more generally are the key to attracting everything we want in life and to create the life that we desire. And at the time when I was looking, for a solution for this, I was actually going through a little bit of a rough patch in my personal life and also just missing purpose and meaning in my life overall. And I felt like it was a really great time to get support, frankly.
And yes, that's really, a lot of people don't understand what coaching is for. Coaching is for support and also to change your perspective. So can you just tell us what kind of results you've gotten from the mindset coaching?
Yes, absolutely. So I think that before I started coaching with you, I had a lot of, ups and downs in terms of mindset and in terms of, my thoughts overall. So I was a bit on a roller coaster, of moves. So one day I was feeling amazing about my life and thinking that, I was really on track. And then the following day, I would, have like this really big down moments when I would feel like really depressed and a little lost. And I didn't know where to go from there. And I feel like for me, one of the biggest benefits of starting to work with you is that I was able to stabilize my mindset much better and to, revert to much better and much more positive thoughts, most of the time. And so that was, a huge improvement to my life overall. And one of the benefits of that was that because I was, in this good, positive space like most of the time, then I was able to essentially manifest much better outcomes in my life. Personally, even in my dating life, attracting, much better matches for myself. But also in my professional life, attracting like new opportunities, being able to manifest even in my as part of my hobby, like speaking engagements that I would not even have dreamt of in the past. And also I felt like it helped me relate to other people, whether it's in the personal or professional settings, much better. I was much more authentic and genuine and happy overall. And that translated into much more satisfying relationships in all areas of my life.
That's really great to hear. Sophie's super coachable, and she, it's one thing to coach, but she's the one who created her own results. I'm just sort of a guide per se. So I have to say that the credit goes to Sophie because she really has embraced the best parts of the coaching and what resonated with her. And, happiness is really a choice for people because we only have one life. Well, we may have an afterlife, but we don't know. But it's a choice because the happiest people are not the people that have everything in the world, but the happiest people are the ones that choose to be happy and make the best with what they have. And I think the mindset coaching kind of helps with that. And it sounds like you've you're so happy now and you've had all these great things occur in your life in the last couple of months and it just keeps going. So
I know.
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
What part of specifically of the mindset coaching do you think helped you the most?
So I think what helped me the most is that it was very the regularity, like the fact that we were actually meeting every week, and that I felt very supported, with all the challenges that came up. But I also felt very supported in terms of, implementation, because sometimes people tell you those really exciting concepts, and it's hard to basically see how you can use them on a day-to-day basis and actually implement them. So what really helped me with your coaching particularly, and I thought you were very good at that, was the fact that you were able to give me a lot of very practical tips on, how to implement. You gave me homework at the end of each session and points that I should focus on. You gave me meditation and visualization exercises. And I have to say, originally, I was a little bit skeptical about those, but I felt like they tremendously helped me anchor this new mindset and make it my new reality. And I think that's how I was able to manifest those outcomes for myself much quicker.
Well, everything is a progression, and manifestations and mindset training, and I don't know, you can call it positive thinking if you like. It's all builds on top of another, and it's kind of like a domino effect. Keeps getting bigger, better and better and better.
Yes.
And just one progresses on, I think, progresses on top of the other, and pretty soon you're doing some amazing things that you may have not thought possible before. So what advice do you have for other women who might be interested in this type of thing?
I think they should definitely dive in and try it. I think that, it's really hard. I've noticed for myself, but for other women too, who are my friends, who are in my family, to basically invest in ourselves. I think we are more inclined to help other people and invest for the well-being of other people, pretty much everyone, before ourselves. And yet, I feel like we underestimate how we are like the captains of our ship, and there is so much that is up to us in our lives. And that mindset is like one of the most essential things that can help you turn your life around and create the life and create those opportunities and manifest those outcomes that you never thought you could really attract. And so I feel like they should, put themselves number one and do, this little thing that's going to have a huge impact overall in their lives. I did it, and that's probably like the best thing I did for myself like this year. So I'm very excited.
Thank you so much, Sophie. I really do think that the time that you've invested in yourself is going to come back to you. It's already come back to you, but I think it's going to keep coming back to you tenfold. And so for any women out here who are interested in mindset coaching, just drop me a note, and we'll see what we can do to change your life. Now, whether you're thinking about improving your fertility or thinking about alternative ways of motherhood or just mindset training in general, all of these things have a domino effect, and one affects the other and impacts your life. And Sophie's just a prime example of that. Any last words, Sophie, before we get off?
No, Mentory is awesome. You should definitely try her.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll catch you later. We're gonna log off now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.